Introduce highlight features and overview summary of Autel MaxiIM IM608 Pro 2021 Ultimate Key Programming Tool. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. IM608 Pro KPA, the pro-grade key programmer with OE-level diagnosis, 23+ services. The IM608 Pro KPA is a comprehensive key and immobilizer programming package of the MaxiIM IM608 Pro 10.1-inch Android touchscreen tablet, XP400 Pro Key and Chip Programmer. The wireless JVCI J2534 pass-through programming device and the key programming adapter IMKPA kit. Key programming. The IM608 Pro KPA enables key learning directly through the OBDII port for over 85% of vehicles in North America. The tablet can read the immobilizer pins and password directly from the vehicle and store this information to use later when learning the newly programmed keys to the vehicle. All system diagnosis. The IM608 Pro KPA is also an advanced diagnostics tablet featuring Auto VIN and Auto Scan technology to automatically identify the vehicle and perform an all-system scan to read and erase fault codes. Moreover, advanced diagnostics functions such as active test, ECU coding and adaptations are also supported. 23+ service functions. The most commonly used services are covered by IM608 Pro KPA, such as oil reset, ABS reset, auto bleeding, SRS reset, BMS, EPB, DPF reg, throttle and more. To make the package a real complete key programming solution provider, we have intentionally added GBOX2 and APB112 to expand its key chip programming to the greatest to satisfy all the needs of a locksmith whatever vehicle past and future. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.